If your old sensor is in good condition but not working, please watch Part 1. If your sensor is damaged, please watch Part 2. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Simply follow the steps provided to put your system into test mode. During this time, you will hear several beeps and tones coming from your panel. In the box, you will find two different pieces. Note the difference between the sensor and the magnet. The larger piece is the sensor, and the smaller piece is the magnet. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace your sensor only. Take the new sensor and place it on a flat surface. Find the arrow indicating down toward the indentation. Carefully insert the flathead end of your screwdriver into the indentation. You should be able to easily separate the cover from the sensor. With the same flathead screwdriver, insert the flathead end into the bottom left and push forward. With your other hand, slide the backplate down to release. Now go to your old sensor and repeat the same process while it is mounted. Once the old sensor is removed, take your new sensor and insert the new battery, taking note of the positive and negative terminals. Now put the new sensor in place on the original mount in a sliding down positions. To have your sensor programmed into the system after replacement, please contact activate@guardianprotection.com with your name, address, and phone number. For assistance, please call 1-855-367-0240. For more information and tutorials, please visit us at guardianprotection.com/support.